Okay guys, we're going back to the answers hub. The question's quite simple. Let me flick this over and pull this into place. Now, this one is for Deal. I'll salute to you. And the question is, when you don't trust 4 and 5 orders on Madness to get out of trouble. I'm not rightly sure what the question is, but I'm assuming, what do I do when I don't trust them orders? It's very simple. I get out. I get out straight away. And if you come to where the scruff and we come down, there should be a module that is just on Madness. There's loads of them. Give us a sec and I'll tell you which module to look at. Scruffy Madness module 22. Tell you everything you need to know on that. Now, what they're driving at here is it's basically dollar averaging, where you're building a position up. Now, as you're building a position up, the further it goes into the trade, that means your risk or your exposure is reduced, and it also increases your upside. It's a fantastic way to trade. The way you check it is the top of every hour. You put it in place, you let the trade do what it's doing, and at the top of each hour you check your bias, which again, if you go into the modules, you'll see 3-click bias. It'll tell you what's going on. If that has changed and you're at 4 and 5, you just get out, period. Well, doesn't matter where you are, you get out. But 4 and 5 is 4, get out where you get in, 5, just get out. And if it goes beyond that, you're wrong anyway, and it's time to go. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.